Hello everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat. So sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about multiplication of radicals with different index. Just like this problem, we have square root of 5 times cube root of 5. So how to multiply this one? Okay, so bakit po siya tinawag na different index? Ito po ay square root, ibig sabihin ang index dito ay 2. Ito po ay cube root, the index is 3. So how to multiply these two radicals with this different index? Okay, so let's start. We're going to multiply these two radicals with different index. So, paano nga po ba ang gagawin dyan? First step that we're going to do is we are going to transform this radical expression into exponential form. Okay, so gawin po natin exponential form ito. So, yung square root of 5 in exponential form is 5 raised to 1 over 2 or 5 raised to 1 half. So, paano po nakuha yung 5 raised to 1 half? Yung exponent po ng 5 dito sa loob ng radical symbol ay 1. So, ito po yung 1 sa ating fraction. At yung index niya, 2. So, ito po yung 2. So, 5 raised to 1 half. Ito po yung 1 half. And then, times cube root of 5 in exponential form is 5 raised to 1/3. So, again, exponent of 5 here is 1. And the index is 3. So, this will become 1 over 3. Okay, so after transforming into exponential form, we are going to multiply this one. Okay, so the law of exponent, if you multiply expressions with exponents, is that since here, the same base, we have 5, ibig sabihin yan, all you have to do is you are going to copy the base and then add the two exponents. So the base, 5, copy, and then add the exponent, 1 half plus 1/3. Okay, this one. So 5 raised to 1 half plus 1/3. Now you're going to add these fractions. So how to add? So again, in adding fractions with different denominator, we use usually cross multiplication. So using cross multiplication, just multiply 1 times 3, that is equal to 3. Then plus, multiply the other pair, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Okay? And then divide by, the denominators are 2 and 3, so 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. Then add numerator, 3 plus 2 is 5, and copy denominator 6. So this become 5 over 6. So 1 half plus 1/3 is 5 over 6. So this will become 5 raised to 5 over 6. Okay, so since we combined already the exponent, then we are going to turn back this exponential form into radical form. Okay? So if we're going to transform this exponential form to radical form, so this will become, we use this symbol, radical symbol, and then copy the base here in the radicand, 5. And then the exponent, 5 over 6. 5 is the exponent of 5 here, and 6 is the index. So this become 5 raised to 5, and then the index is 6. Okay? So this will become 6th root of 5 raised to the 5th power. So this is not simplified form. You need to simplify 5 raised to the 5th power. And 5 raised to the 5th power is 3,125. So this will become 6th root of 3,125. So that is the product of square root of 5 times cube root of 5. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe if you're not done yet.